Roger plays. That's what Roger plays.
I think it's hysterical that their name for their band is Loaded Diaper.
The only money he makes when Dad gave him $5 once to stop playing. When did we get to play the real drum?
What you doing, bud?
I think Turnberg on.
I was thinking, we should enter the talent show.
What you doing?
I can do my magic act and you can be my assistant. Assistant? No way. Doing magic tricks is bad enough. Assisting the guy doing the tricks? I'd never make it to 8th grade.
Yeah? Somebody's got the hiccups.
Mom?
Yeah, bud.
If you get like one of the last places
Somebody's got
on
the
the talent show,
hiccups.
does that mean you can't make it to 8th grade?
No. Talent show means nothing for passing to the next grade.
He didn't do anything on purpose, did you?
Not every school has a talent show either.
He didn't.
What's up,
He
dude?
was free.
I do the talent show.
What kind of talent would you have?
Me?
Yeah. What would you do in the talent show?
Gymnastics.
Oh, that'd be cool.
Or actually cool tricks or something.
Like what?
I have no idea.
Well, you gotta have a talent.
I don't really have a talent actually.
Dude, you have plenty of talents. You're hysterical. You're a freaking comedian. You can tell jokes.
Oh, I have to be like Jeff Dunham. Except for the
Dunham. .com.
my favorite joke, but the teacher
Hey.
would send me to detention if I told them the fake milk story.
Oh, God.
And they would totally, they would even kick me.
Can you please pick that up? What was
They would
that?
kick me out
What
of.
was that?
They would kick me out of school if I told them the masturbating story.
Oh, my God. You and that darn story. What's masturbating?
Everyone in the store, everyone starts looking at you.
I'm so glad you think that's funny. It's one of my most embarrassing moments in life. Actually, no, not really, because I played it off pretty well. And that's part of being a mom, dude.
I cannot believe it. Mom gave me fake milk.
All right, comedian.
Okay, can I just tell a story? Just one story. Okay, you just look at Connor while I tell a story.
Okay.
Connor. Okay, so how about me and Connor?
You and fish faces. I'm recording, dude. Oh no! Falling baby!
Okay, so we just picked up my aunt at from the
Yeah, you're gonna have to get way better at the storytelling thing, dude.
Okay, restart. Okay, me and my mom just picked up my aunt. Her name is Maddie from the airport.
Mm-hmm.
We drive past this sign. It says plastic surgery, something, whatchamacallit, first class, whatchamacallit, blah, blah, blah. Okay, blah.
Oh, you got
Okay.
a strong grip, dude.
And I said, "Hey, Mom, what's plastic surgery?" And Mom was about to tell me, but Maddie was like, "No, wait. I want to know what he thinks it. I think they just replace what you have and put plastic in you." And Mom was like, "Yeah, pretty much. You know how I got my plastic boobs?" I'm like,
I did not say plastic boobs.
well, plastic boobs.
Plastic surgery.
Plastic surgery in her boobs. And guess what? She said, "Remember how I came home, and you're like, what are those?" And I say, whoa, wait. You had fake boobs? Yeah. Oh man, does that mean I had fake milk?
You'd crack yourself up. Hi, Connor. Your brother's a comedian.
I hope he's a comedian too. He's basically a baby comedian.
He is a baby comedian.
Right down the toilet.
Stop.
Sorry. I cannot believe it. Whenever he was born, he couldn't move anything except for his
Oh yeah.
mouth.
Oh yeah, he can move all of his limbs. He was kicking and screaming. Kicking and screaming.
Well, he only
Kicking and
moved unless he
screaming.
was eating, farting, because his butt would be vibrating.
Look at how small his hands are. Aw, you have small fingers too.
I
Ah! Okay, he's trying to poop.